I take care of the pre-professional program, and we ran it for the first time last year. We're hoping to extend it to 9 months, and last year we had one of the dancers on the pre-professional course join the company, so it's a dream come true.
I became a part of the pre-professional program in September, and it was a great stepping stone for me to be now a part of the company.
What do you enjoy most about it?
The working experience and just being a part of every day to be working. It's good. Yeah.
What did your family say when you got this?
They were very happy. I don't think they could quite believe it. It took a while to sink in.